True luxury isn't found in what is new, but in the tension between what was and what is yet to come. Imagine a space where the weight of 150 years of history meets the razor-sharp precision of modern engineering. We are stepping inside a residence that redefines the masterpiece. It is a sensory journey of dark walnut, jagged Calacatta marble, and light that carves through shadows. This isn't just an apartment, it is a $5 million lesson in the art of the contrast. Stay with us, because the first impression is a lie. The facade stands as a silent guardian of history, a 150-year-old masonry shell that hides a digital age soul. The transition begins at the massive dark walnut pivot door, engineered with a hidden, handleless entry that feels like a secret. Jagged-edge Calacatta marble slabs flank the entrance, illuminated by minimalist track lighting that rakes across the weathered stone. It is a bold statement of privacy and prestige, whispering that the world outside no longer applies. But the real story begins the moment this door disappears into the wall. Inside, the volume of space takes your breath away. The centerpiece is a 150-year-old ornate ceiling rose, a relic of Victorian craftsmanship, now intersected by a surgical strike of matte black track lighting. Dark walnut panels wrap the room in a warm, masculine embrace, while the fireplace, a monolithic block of jagged-edge Calacatta marble, anchors the room. The contrast between the fragile plaster and the cold, heavy stone creates a visual rhythm that is both restless and serene. And yet, the bedroom offers a different kind of silence. In the master suite, textures become more intimate but no less dramatic. A floor-to-ceiling dark walnut headboard conceals a suite of handleless storage, creating a seamless wooden horizon. Above, the restored heritage crown molding frames a modern light installation that casts a soft glow over Calacatta marble nightstands. The jagged stone edges catch the light, reminding you of the raw earth beneath the luxury. It is a sanctuary designed for the ultimate tactile experience. However, the heart of the home is where precision meets the palate. The kitchen is a masterclass in hidden utility. Dark walnut cabinetry, devoid of any hardware, responds to a haptic touch, revealing state-of-the-art appliances. This warmth is jolted awake by the island, a massive slab of Calacatta marble with intentionally jagged, raw edges that look as though they were quarried moments ago. Track lighting, recessed into the 150-year-old ceiling, ensures every cut of the knife and every grain of the marble is seen in high definition. Wait until you see how we bridge the gap between floors. Suspended like a glass jewelry box, the mezzanine offers a new perspective on the architectural DNA. A jagged-edge Calacatta marble balustrade runs the length of the platform, contrasting with the deep, chocolate tones of the walnut flooring. From here, you are eye-level with the heritage ceiling rose, allowing a close-up view of the modern track lights piercing through history. It is a transitional space that feels like floating between two centuries at once. But luxury requires a more visceral form of relaxation. The bathroom is a monolithic temple of stone and wood. A hand-carved Calacatta marble bathtub sits as a centerpiece, its jagged exterior contrasting with a polished, silken interior. Dark walnut vanities with hidden pulls maintain the minimalist flow, while the overhead track lighting creates a dramatic chiaroscuro effect against the 150-year-old architectural details. It is a space where the elements of fire, earth, and water are refined into a high-design ritual. Step outside, where the heritage meets the open air. The front courtyard serves as a curated buffer between the city and the sanctum. Calacatta marble pavers with raw, jagged edges are set into dark gravel, creating a geometric path that leads to the walnut-clad accents of the facade. Subtle track lighting is embedded in the ground, shooting light upward to celebrate the 150-year-old texture of the original brickwork. It is a masterclass in curb appeal that prioritizes architectural integrity over flashy ornamentation. The ascent continues to the very peak of the property. The rooftop terrace is an urban escape that mirrors the interior's sophistication. A full outdoor kitchen, finished in weather-treated dark walnut, features the signature handleless aesthetic. The bar, a jagged-edge Calacatta marble slab, glows under the evening sky, illuminated by sleek black track lighting poles. From this height, you can see the 150-year-old chimney stacks, a reminder of the home's deep roots amidst a modern skyline. Productivity, however, demands a sharper focus. The home office is designed for deep thought and high-stakes decisions. A bespoke dark walnut desk appears to grow out of the wall, featuring hidden compartments for a clutter-free environment. A feature wall of jagged Calacatta marble provides a powerful backdrop for video calls, while a 150-year-old ceiling rose is updated with a modern track lighting ring. It is a space that balances the weight of tradition with the speed of contemporary business. Now, let us retreat to the hidden green heart of the home. The backyard is a masterstroke of private landscape design. Vertical dark walnut slats provide absolute privacy while casting linear shadows across a custom fire pit made of jagged Calacatta marble. The track lighting is cleverly hidden within the greenery, spotlighting the 150-year-old rear facade to create a sense of timelessness. It is an outdoor room that feels just as furnished and finished as the interior, a seamless extension of the design. This journey through walnut, marble, and light proves that true elegance is a matter of detail. When we respect the bones of history while layering in the precision of modern design, we create something immortal. Thank you for touring this masterclass in high-contrast living. If you're ready to transform your own perspective on space, like and subscribe for more architectural deep dives. Until next time, keep designing for the future.